In this lecture, we will be covering creating calculations in Tableau at the data source level. So in order to create calculations at this level, all you will need to do is, let's go to this column right here, the sales column. So in order to create calculations on this column right here, all you will need to do is right click on the column and then select create calculated field. And once you have done create calculated field, you're gonna see that we have the sales column right here. From within this, you can create calculations at this level, or you can create calculations once you get to the sheet. It is up to you, but the calculations can be created here or once you get to the sheet right here. So in order to create a calculation, it's just like Excel. You have the sales column and then +1. Let's do a basic calculation. Sales +1. And as you can see, we have the second column, sales +1, and it has created a calculation for us. You can create different type of calculations. You can create logic calculations at this level, Boolean, arithmetic, and more. We're going to cover calculations more in the future topics, but for now, this is how you would create basic calculations in Tableau. One tip: whenever you create a calculation, Tableau automatically puts this equal sign right next to that calculation.